Hi, friends!
Hants Harbour is a charming fishing village on the east side of Trinity Bay, part of the Bay de Verde Peninsula in Newfoundland and Labrador. Hants Harbour is a cozy village with a population of around 300 people. This quaint community is built around a small harbour that opens up to Trinity Bay. The harbour can accommodate vessels up to 100 tons, making it perfect for fishing boats and local vessels. The landscape here is quite unique with low hills that are rocky and barren, giving the area a rugged and beautiful charm. It's a place where nature's raw beauty is on full display. Hants Harbour has a rich history. During King William's War, the village was destroyed in the Avalon Peninsula campaign, but it slowly grew back in the 18th century. The early residents were mostly members of the Church of England, and later on, the Salvation Army established a presence here.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for joining us as we explore the picturesque Hants Harbour.
Thanks for watching!